Hey YouTube, it's Toya Cherie and I'm back with this video and I'm going to show you how I do my super defined curly ponytail. So of course I'm going to start with my hair. It's not washed or anything. This is just from an old style that I've brushed out. So, and of course my hair is relaxed / Texlaxed for those of you who are new to my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and I just dampened my hair with some of my growth spray, mango and lime growth spray. And I'm just going to brush my hair all the way to the top because I want a high ponytail. So once I put it up as high as I can, I go in with my Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to slick my hair back, slick it up in the back, and then I'll also do the front and the sides and just brush it and smooth it as smooth as you can get it. Once you finish smoothing it over, just put it in a high ponytail at the top of your head. So I'm going to use my olive oil hair lotion just to give it some moisture. So to get my super defined curly ponytail, I'm going to use my favorite, my rods, and I'm going to use my Lotta Body setting lotion, which is, I just love it. So I'm going to use the medium size and the small size because it gives me a better definition. So I just put a little bit of the setting lotion on and then I just go ahead and rod up the ponytail in, different sections. Now you don't have to overdo it with the setting lotion because it's gonna set. So you don't have to like drench it in the setting lotion because it works really well with just a little bit. So this is pretty much all I'm doing, and I'm gonna rod the rest of my entire ponytail until I am finished. So there it is, I'm done. So I don't know how many I have in there. It could be about 15 or so, but that's pretty much it for that. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my argan oil edge control and go ahead and slick my edges down a little bit. So once you've got your edges slicked down, I'm just gonna go in with a scarf and just lay it down so that everything can be laid once I take out my rods. So you can grab any scarf you want and just lay your hair down just so that everything will stay in place. Now what I did, I didn't wait overnight. I just went ahead and blow dried the hair dry for like, I think it took maybe 30 minutes for it to dry because I didn't saturate my hair with setting lotion. So it didn't take long for the ponytail, the rods to dry. So I used my blow dryer and just blow dried it for about 30 minutes or so, and also let it air dry, and it didn't take long. So, and that's pretty much, you know, how it came out, which came out really, really, really good, and it was completely dry. So again, don't saturate your hair in the setting lotion. So now I'm just taking out my rods, and once I take them out, I'm gonna go ahead and just separate them. So you just separate them like you would any normal rod set. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my hairspray finishing, and then I'll separate them. Like, these definition is giving me life. Like this ponytail was life to me. So once you're done taking it down, you can now just play with it. You can fluff it out. You can, you know, make it more poofy if you'd like. This is also a really good trick just for all my relaxed girls out there. You can definitely get a good ponytail, a good defined curly ponytail using this method. That's pretty much it, girls. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's really an all-purpose style, so it's really easy to maintain. It's, you know, perfect. You can use some pins if you want to pin it up further. You can do it that way. It's all type of things you can do with it once you have all the curls going. So anyways, I just want to thank you all for watching. Again, I had a great time doing this style. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will see you all definitely in my next video.